Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw how we can create our AI agent in ai.automationanywhere.com website and how we can interact with the AI agent from the chat sections and how we can get output in a structured format. Now, this is all fine. We are able to create an AI agent, we are able to ask it questions and get output in this particular website. But now I want it to be able to get the extracted data that I'm doing in my read PDF bot and then provide me output on that PDF text. So let's see how we can integrate this AI agent into my this flow where I'm taking one PDF. I'm taking one PDF this in a loop and then I'm getting the extracted data in this TXT files. So the first step that we want to do when we are calling for our AI agent, when we want to call our AI agent from our taskbot, is this AI Enterprise Knowledge package. We want to take this Ask Question package, and I will drag it over here. Now, the next thing is let's configure it. So here are a few options that I'm seeing that I need to fill up. So the first one is my deployment type. We will keep it as default, the cloud version. Now it is asking me for a API and a secret key. Okay, so in order to get that API and secret key, we have to go back to our ai.automationanywhere.com portal. And over here, you must be seeing user profile, right? So I want you to click on the user profile. And when we click on it, you will see options like my accounts, API keys, change logs. We want to go on this API keys option. Okay, so currently over here, there are no API keys yet. So we want to create a new one. So I will click on this create key button and it is asking me for a name to give to this key. So I will add my use case name, invoice check, let's say, and I will click on generate. Okay, so I have got an API key and a secret key now. So I will add this, I will copy the API key first and I will give it over here in the insecure string. And next I will paste the secret key and I will give it over here in the insecure string again. All right, so now I have got my API key and my secret key copied. So I will close this. Now, in the next part, we are seeing something like a project or variable. We want to select the project that we have created. So I will click on refresh. So it will load the list of projects that are present in my account. So currently, this is the only one project that we created in the last video. So it should fetch that this project, it should be able to fetch. All right, so the options have now refreshed, and if we see the drop down now, we are able to see this one project that is also present over here. Now, once I have selected the project from the project list, again on the agent list, currently this is the only agent present. I want to refresh it again. And now I should be able to see all the agents that are present in my project. So this is the agent that we had created, invoice agent. I will click on this. And the model name, again, we want to mention the model name that we had given. So I will take that from here. I will open my agent that I had created and go into the general section. And this is the agent model that I had given it. So I will write that over here, GPT 4.0. Yes. So here we are going to select the chat agent. Now in the user query, we want to provide it with the data of the extracted TXT files. So all the TXT files that are here, I want to give it the data inside of that txt file so that it can take the input like this and then give me the output. Now, in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is after my txt file is being created here, I want to read the data inside that txt file also. So for that, I'm going to select the file option. And in the file option, we have, in the text file option, we have this get text package. So what it does is, whichever text file path, full path I give it, it will fetch all the data that is present inside that text file and it will give it to me inside a string variable. So first I'm going to give it the path of this text file. So in my previous package where I'm creating a text file from my PDF, I'm going to take this export data to text file. I'm going to get this exact path and copy paste it into this package. So what this will do is, in the previous step, I was creating a text file. I was creating a text file from a PDF file, right? So now this text file that is created, I'm going to take this full path of this text file and I'm going to give it over here. And what this step will do is this will take this step file. Let's say this is the text file that is created first. It will read everything that is written inside it, all the data that is present inside it, and it will give it to me in this variable, save outcome to a variable. So I will create a new variable and I will write text data and I will create and select. Now this text data that is capturing all the details inside of this text file, I will provide it over here as a user query. So I can do this like this. I will select text data from here and click on insert. And this will now make sure that whatever data is written inside of my text files, like all the text files that are generated one by one, it will provide send it to the AI agent with all these connection details. And the timeout, I want to increase it because sometimes it takes a bit more time to get the response from the AI agent, and 300 milliseconds is a very short time. So I'm going to give it something like a huge number. And now in this part, now I am connecting to my AI agent with my API key. I'm selecting the project agent, everything. I'm also providing it with the extracted data from the text file. Now I want to save the output that I would get from the AI agent in a variable. So for that, I'm going to click on this dictionary variable and I'm going to click on this create variable. And this dictionary variable is going to store the output from my AI agent. So I will name it something like AI output. And here the subtype, we want it to be any type. And I will click on create and select. All right, so now in this line, we are connecting to the AI agent and we are also getting the output from the AI agent in this variable. Now let's see how we can view the output. So for that, let's add a message box. And over here, let's select that dictionary of AI output. And over here, we need to type output in all small. So using this, we can view the output from our AI agent inside the bot. Now let's uh, have a fresh run. Let's delete all this. I have my PDF files over here. My extracted data folder is now empty. So what my this loop will do is it will run this PDF extract and save the data in the text files and then give it to my AI agent and then I should be able to see the output over here. So let's see if it's working now. All right, so in our extracted data folder, I can see that the first invoice data has extracted, and I have also got a response from AI agent for that particular PDF file. So it is saying that the decision is valid, and this is the email response that I'm getting, that this is the subject and this is the body that we want to send. Now, if I also move to my AI.automationanywhere.com platform over here, then we should be able to see a new chat. So this is the new chat that just got created from our RPA bot, and this is the response. So we can also see our input and output inside of this AI agent portal whenever our bot also works. So let's close this, and now it should give us the and now it is working on the second PDF file. That is this one. Now this one has generated, and now it is sending it to the AI agent to get an output. And for this particular file, we have got a response that the PDF is invalid, and due to so and so reasons, it is saying that the order number is not present. So that is the reason why this particular PDF file was rejected. Okay, let's close now. And now it has started working on the third PDF file. And we have gotten again for the third one also, our agent is saying that even this one is invalid because the currency is not mentioned, and the tax is also not mentioned. So for these reasons, this particular invoice, the third one, was rejected. And now when I click on close, the fourth one, this one is now starting. And for the fourth one, we have got that the fourth invoice is also invalid because again, it does not have the order number mentioned, and even the currency is not mentioned. So due to this reasons, this invoice has been rejected. So let's click on close now, and our bot has executed successfully. So using this package specifically, we can connect our AI agent that we created in this page. This is how we can connect it into our RPA bot and run it.